old are they?
Do a lot of that, you know.
Yeah, well, that's birthday and all that. And then they know now does your ex you keep in touch with it?
There's a big opening. This way. Call Blessing Bill.
Scruffy! Where are you going? Scruffy!
I forgot to start my dad.
Oh. Scruffy! Thirsty? He's there just chilling. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. So cute. Get it. Ito toy. Yeah. I'm gonna knock on your door. Ring on your bell.
Kontak niyo ako. Dadalhin natin dito. Very good. Sa mga ibang pagkakataon, malaman natin kung bakit tapusi. Para kasi yung tapusi,
Crazy. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, the Scruffy is sleeping. Hi, Scruffy. I thought you're sleeping naman pala. If you were sleeping, you're not sleepy yet. It's night time in the boat cabin with the crazy doggy. Okay, night na.
Good boy.
Night na.
No.
Lay down.
Good boy.
Ouchie.
Good boy. Good.
Alright, it's bedtime. Night.
Plus, you got yard sale. But she goes, that's my cousin.
How much sale? Good boy. How much sale at the marina? Come here, baby. You follow Dada, okay?
I just got a cooler the other day and I was like, or that size. You know what? Yeah.
There's some dogs there. Just waiting here. Stay there, Pop-Up. Don't you dare. Hey everyone, so we just got back from the rummage sale here in the marina. Okay, my phone down. Okay, I'm charging it right now. I'm gonna show you what we got from the yard sale. Annual rummage sale at the marina. So we got this nice tree here that really caught our attention. show you what's in it. So, it has a nice serving tray. It's brand new. It's made in Japan. Set it there. And then there's like 6 sets of this teacup. And 6 sets of this chocolate. I forgot. Saucer? Yeah, this one. Looks like this. It's really cute. And then there's about 6 pieces of these teaspoons. It's really cute, huh? And they're not glass, so you're not gonna worry that they'll break or something like that. And these 2 giant spoon and fork. So that's what we got, guys. And also, I got this thing. There's the cute sets we got from the rummage sale. And also there's some guys there that are selling purses. He's selling like 3 purses, and they're like in great condition, almost brand new. But this one caught my attention. Philippa Sweet. Isn't that cute? Look at the material. It's got nice it's like a fox leather inside, and it comes with a strap, nice pockets, very roomy, and there's a zipper here. And here's the brand, Philippa Sweet. So this strap goes to this. Let's see. Isn't that cute? And you know what, guys? This purse, I look it up online. It costs like 180 US dollars. Can you imagine? Brand new online. But we got it for reasonable price here at the Marina Rummage sale. So that's all. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. So I can finally say we scored today. Okay, magsaing tayo dahil 11 o'clock na, wala pa akong sinaing. Nandito pa din tayo sa boat dahil Saturday. Samahan niyo ako magsaing. Saturday ngayon, kaya nandito pa din tayo sa boat. Sabi ng doktor na pinapanood ko sa Facebook, magsasaing daw tayo. Lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil per cup of uncooked rice. Kaya yun yung gagawin natin. At ako, mahilig din ako mag-add ng turmeric sa aking steamed rice. 1 cup lang yung isasaing ko today, kaya 2 tablespoons ng olive oil yung kailangan natin. Okay. So, yung aking olive oil ay nakasali na dito sa thing na to. Kasi ayoko siyang dalhin yung buong bote dahil medyo malaki. Tapos sa boat, hindi. Maganda yung pinipilap mo yung boat ng overcrowded. Although overcrowded na nga talaga yung boat namin. Kaya, as much as possible, umaagapan-agapan. Okay. Lagyan natin ng turmeric powder bago natin siya isain. Mga ganito kadami. Ayan. Tapos yung olive oil. Okay, mga 2 tablespoons na yan. Kailangan natin maging healthy guys dahil maiwasan natin yung mga sakit-sakit. Okay, magsaing na tayo. Alam nyo ba itong rice cooker na to? Siguro 9 years na to sa akin. Ito na yung rice natin. Naamoy ko yung olive oil. So bango. Okay. Sarap. Pero wala pa akong ulam. Ito yung lulutuin ko. Yan. Pampanga Vegan Ilocos Original Longanisa from Wee. Meron pa akong 4 pieces dito. Kaya tamang-tama. Susutay din tayo ng zucchini. Para meron tayong veggies. Okay? Dito natin siya lulutuin sa may konting water. At ang gamit ko lang yung aking electric skillet. Nag-boil na yung aking water. So guys, sobrang liit lang nitong longganisa na to. Yan. Yan guys. Yan na siya. Hayaan lang natin maluto na mabuti kasi meat yan. Kaya dapat super luto siya. Takpan muna natin. So pag nagluluto, dapat binubuksan din natin itong window. Para yung amoy ay hindi maipon dito sa boat. Yan. Okay. So yun yung view natin outside. Yan nyo guys. Yan. Yung view natin. Through window. Scrappy chilling lang siya. With this favorite toy. Okay, so back na tayo sa lutuan guys. Yan na si longganisa, naluluto na. Siguro nagtataka kayo guys. Yung asawa ko kasi, umalis siya. Pumunta siya sa baseball game ng aming grandson na si Tommy. Kaya kami lang dito ni Scruffy at habang wala siya, nagluluto ako kasi maya-mayang 1 o'clock dadating na din yun. Time check is 11:38 na ngayon. Kaya tama-tama pagdating niya, meron siyang lunch. Hiwa ko na din yung zucchini. Madali lang naman to after kung lutuin yung longganisa. I-add ko to. Tapos maglalagay lang tayo ng seasoning. Yun na. Ganun lang kasimple. Ito na ang vegan longganisa. Ngayon, lutuin natin yung zucchini. Yan. Guys, luto na yung zucchini. Kakain na akong mag-isa. Yun na naman talaga guys ako dito. Halos lagi ako mag-isa. Kaya nung nasa Pilipinas ako, napaka-happy ko. Lagi akong may kasama. Pagka mag-isa na lang ako pagka yung nagpupunta ako sa bathroom. Pero dito sa US, most of the time mag-isa talaga ako. Okay. Sabi ng asawa ko, pwede na daw ako kumain mag-isa. Kaya kakain na lang ako mag-isa. Hindi ko na siya hintayin kasi 12:13 eh. Pagka kasi hinintay ko pa siya, matitempt na naman ako mag-snacks. Kaya mas okay na lunch na yung kainin natin para huwag tayong matukso na mag-snacks. Okay guys, eat. Ayan na yung lunch natin. Isang isang longganisa at saka zucchini. Hindi ba yung kanin umuusok-usok pa? Well done. So, sarap ng kain ko, guys. So, I don't know kung ano yung gagawin ko ngayon. Malalaman nyo na lang later sa kadugtong ng video na to. Okay? 29 na. Umiinit-iinit ng tubig dito sa aking portable electric kettle. Ito yung pocket mo. After 5 minutes, nagpo-boil na siya. Very handy siya. Kasi ayoko nang minomicrowave yung tubig. Off na natin. Off na siya. Blue light. Okay na. Ano na siya. Gusto ko kasi talaga yung pagkakape. O kahit na yung iinom lang ako ng warm water. Gusto ko talaga yung mainit siya sa pagkakulo. Hindi yung microwave lang. Para mainit talaga. Yung ginamit ko na 3-in-1 ko ay Great Taste. Yung Great Taste na may marshmallows. Ano siya.
IRS flag for possible
Napatay tayong isang langaw, ocean langaw. Langaw dagat. Napaka-effective nitong ano na to. Swatter. Swatter nga ba? Pagka kasi guys, ano dito, summer pa, or spring pa summer, madaming bugs, ocean bugs. Yung mga langaw na payat. You wanna see orange starfish? It's right there. Orange starfish.